Hello, beautiful and creative souls. I am Hümeyra. I'm Paperwrld's social media consultant, and I'm so excited to invite you on a very special journey. This is the beginning of the Art of Scrapbooking Creative Memories workshop, a program with a total of 11 modules, each divided into inspiring and practical lessons. This program is designed to help you turn your memories into works of art. We will dive into creative techniques module by module, discover beautiful materials, and experience different styles. In this way, you will create a unique album that reflects your own story. You might be completely new to the world of scrapbooking, or maybe you just want to refresh your creativity. Don't worry, I'll be with you every step of the way throughout the process. It will be easy, fun, and truly meaningful. And we want to give you a little hint of what you'll encounter. Imagine the magic we'll create together. A memory, a page, a work of art. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm so happy that you're joining us on this adventure. If you're ready, you can move on to the first module right away and start bringing your own story to life. See you soon. Happy creating!